If you're a student, your life has just got a lot easier. Google's newest AI project called Notebook LM has some incredible features that can actually help you learn. The most exciting thing is that you can upload your own notes or documents, and it will generate an AI podcast for you, which has two people discussing the contents of that lecture. And I tried this myself with a lecture that I gave on the pharmacology of insulin, and it was really impressive. Take a listen.
All right, so today we're going to dive into something pretty important, pretty fascinating, especially if you or someone you know has diabetes. Insulin.
Ooh, yeah, fascinating stuff.
What amazed me is that even though some of my slides have very little written information, it figured out the context and explained this really well. Listen to this section and look at the lecture slides relevant to it.
Truly remarkable.
Yeah.
And on top of that, we have other tools too, like insulin pens. Those are way more convenient for injections. Syringes are there for those who want that really, really precise dosing. And then we've got these continuous glucose monitoring systems or CGMs. Those things have really changed in the game.
CGMs. Okay, tell me more about those. Those sound super interesting.
Okay, so imagine this. You get a constant window into your blood sugar levels without having to do those finger prick tests all day long. That's exactly what CGMs do. They give you real-time data. You can see exactly how your blood sugar responds to like what you're eating, if you've been exercising, even stress. It's like having a superpower, honestly.
That's an amazing way to put it. It's like you have this like personalized feedback loop happening, to help you fine tune your diabetes management.
Exactly, precisely.
So here's how it can help you. I don't think you should replace listening to an actual lecturer, but if you came out of the lecture and you felt that you didn't really understand the topic or could do with a refresher of the material, this is great. Equally, for some pre-reading, it might be useful. Instead of that, you could just listen to this. And one of the best techniques to learn anything is to scaffold information. So a lecture is one way of taking in knowledge, but you can fill in the gaps by watching a YouTube video on the topic or reading a relevant chapter of a textbook or discussing the topic with a friend. But now this adds another option for you. Each time you review learning material from a different source, you build on your knowledge. So I think this is an excellent option. But it's not perfect, and I'll explain why in the next video.